I warmly welcome you to ELECTRO-TECH UG. Please subscribe if you haven't and give a thumbs up to this video. This time around we are doing an installation of system applications, but first you have to open your command prompt window by pressing the Windows button and R, or simply going to your search window and type cmd. Then you go to your device and support USB debugging via the developer options mode. If you don't know how to do this, I refer you to a video on USB reverse tethering. It recorded all this information. So then you are going to download the platform tools. We'll include the link in the description box. You extract and then you type cd, drag and drop the folder in the command window. Then it will record the extension and will enter into the platform tools folder. Then to check whether your device is connected, you type ADB devices. As you can see, mine is connected, and then we type ADB list, ADB shell, PM list packages. We want to know the package names for all the apps installed on your device. So this records all the package names for all the apps that are on your device. This video is proudly sponsored by GoodFortune Green Technologies. It's your #1 electronic waste management center. Their main motive is promote environmental sustainability through waste recycling, and they as well do data destruction. So if you want to know more of their services, please visit their website and get to know more of what they do. Next we type ADB shell to enter the ADB shell. So as you can see, my device is Infinix X624, which is an older model. It's Android 8. So some of these packages need to be uninstalled, since with their updates may require more storage space. So you as well download package manager in order to know the package names of the particular application you want to uninstall. Then you type pm uninstall, then you look for the package name. You have to have recorded it down. So we do -K in order to leave the system files, whereby in case you do any mistake, it's easy to factory reset your phone and recover back the lost information. So as you can see, Phoenix browser, it's called transition Phoenix. So you just highlight and right click to copy the extension or the package name, and then paste. So as you can see, our browser is being installed and it will disappear, so it will say success message. Then you do copy and paste the same extension. Then you look for the package name of that particular applications. Right now I want to uninstall Palm Store, so I have to look for the package name, which is com_transient.store. So you highlight, right click to copy, then you right click to paste. So the same thing will happen. You say success message and the app will disappear. You do the same for others. Like right now YouTube Go is no longer in existence, so it has been incorporated into YouTube itself, so there's no need of YouTube Go. So you copy the extension still with ending with mango. So you do and right click to copy to paste the package name, so you will see it disappear. Thank you for watching. Subscribe now and never miss any other episode.